Content disclaimer: my content is intended for adults, collector of product of general intended audience of 13 years old and above. What is up, gang? It's your boy Campy. Welcome back to my channel. Those who are subscribed, thank you very much. And those who didn't subscribe, please subscribe, like, and hit the notification down below. Simple. I just want to make fun. Nothing much. Just want to share another Beyblade. Just come release. Yes, it's Gatling Dragon. It's like the color rainbow. It's like LGBT, but it's nothing much. It's the new Beyblade Burst BU. Yes, Dynamite Bevel Layer System Burst BU from Takara, and attack type, right spin, and burst system. And we have the new parts over here: Gatling Dragon Karma Charged Metal Dash N10. Okay, something is great in here because it's a evolution. Everything is like the ultimate. That's what we call it, BU, a new series. There's no anime. And we have this new parts here for the gear for the Divine Belial, which is D gear. Okay, Dragon, which is D for Dragon. We will see it later. And we have these gimmicks. There's a slide attack, and there's a like rush mode, something like that. Yes, there's a bounce mode.
And high and slow mode. And all the parts here, you can see here, all the stickers, there's no chart anymore. And there's showing the part, the Dragon, Gatling, the armor, the disc, and the driver. The DB core, of course, is Dragon, and BU with the latest Gatling. Without wasting time, let's get it open right now.
Okay, this is it. When I'm truth. Pretty much inside. Oh, there's an instruction. I almost forgot. Okay, we have the D gear, which is with the stickers and the instruction, but it's okay. The most important is the Beyblade is safe and nice. Stickers. Alright, I'll open it.
And the wings here, and there's the tip of the slide. There are three. The same, and this is the core. I believe this is the core, the DB core chip. And overall, is just a BU blade. Okay, that's one for. And also not to forget the charged metal.
Too bad. Oh, this is it. The D gear. D gear is usually for the upgrade version. Another gear for the Divine Dahlia. Here, just only sideways. There's no flip. Just follow the instruction over here. Don't flip like this. You can see there's a hole. It's not like the S gear. You can flip, fix, and free spin. This one is not free spin. Let's check it out. This is the Nexus. And just put it properly. There's a hole there. You can put inside. Okay, there's it. It's like a bound. So it's not free spin, it's just like a bound. This is like the upgrade for the Divine Dahlia. Make sure that you can defeat Gatling Dragon, which is gonna show you how he attack. So it's pretty good. Nice and very fit. There you go. And next will be A gear from the Archer. See the layer of this Gatling Dragon. This is without stickers. You can see here. Yes, without stickers is beautiful, but with stickers it's pretty nice. The fourth disc is Karma, which we already have from the Rage Long Dash. Same thing. We already have been there. And the new driver, not new, but just upgrade for the dash. You see there's a gold spring, it's true. And the metal charge. And there's always a hole. I have no idea why I have a hole. I'm a bit worried about maybe scrap. This driver is suitable for attacking Beyblade like the Senpai. How to say it? The other one. Let's go to the parts. Another one and open, just separate it. It's very difficult to open, which means something wrong with the gimmick here. You just click here because the box is cannot insert the bay because the gimmick is activated. So there's a bound mode here. In this state, we call it rush mode. There's a bound gimmick here, and the dragon head came off. It's pretty nice, and I have to activate by pressing this. If I'm not mistaken. Yes. Yeah, I think. Is it true? Oh gosh. Did I break something? I hope I didn't break. Oh yes, that's right. It's very hard. No such thing as Beyblade can hit that. Yeah, now this is the original state. We call it the slash mode. Nothing much. The dragon is already inside the head. You can see here. And this is the gimmick of it cannot be bound anymore. It's like if in the high mode, it cannot be moved. So how to open it? Just here. Get the disc, push it off because your finger might be damaged if
you use finger. Let's make it in high mode. Okay, there's you go. Oh yeah, not yet. The core. The core is not activated yet. So this is the high mode, if I'm not mistaken. Why is it so difficult?
Properly the armor so the core, the DB core can go in. Make sure it's push it in the 10 armor, then you can put the DB core. So this is the high mode, and you cannot activate into rush mode. You can't even push because of the 10 armor is blocking it, so it's not gonna happen to make the rush mode. This is slash mode. So solid. I think this is very good, and I'm not so sure. I think this is pretty good to make a defense type. This high mode, when in the rush mode, it's like oval shape. It's not round. Okay. Oh yeah, I forget to put some stickers. Here you go, the DB core with stickers. Pretty amazing. The stickers is around here. The number. Let's check it out. Number 4, 5, 6. This is the 4 and the 5 and 6 over here. It's very tricky, not so perfect. I think I stitch a bit around here. It's very difficult. So this is the DB core dragon. Have 3 locks and small build spring inside, which is the spring is really different from the Valkyrie one. Yes, there's a bound gimmick, of course, and it's pretty good spring. By the way, it's very difficult to burst, not like the Valkyrie first one. And then next up is the BU blade, very thick. Wow, this is with sticker, beautiful, right? And there's back here the blue, brown. It's very thick actually, quite good enough with the heaviness, this one. And yes, the Gatling continues attack, releasing its side and in low mode, and 4 large side, which is called the rush mode. Rush mode activate, it's damn big. There you go. Now you can see there's the tit over here, and we go back. You just press here. This to the head dragon, just to activate those. Oh, very hard actually. There you go. Then going back to normal slash mode. Okay, now we assemble it. We have the 10 armor, which is ready. We have from the Behemoth. So let's assemble it in low mode. Make sure you press this to red dragon. Okay, lock it down. And the karma, oh yeah, the karma disc is clockwise, which is really good for the air attacking. But the karma is anti-clock. It's very painful. So this is the last pain. 2 other Beyblades. Charge metal dash. Just try it out. Assemble. Oh wow. Oh, I have true star. Karma, not bad. Not very thick. I always like miss it. I'm not so sure did I click it. Oh, very tight. 1, 2, 3. Yes, there's right. 3. Just activate here. People attacking would be this. To unactivate, just press this 2 dragon. Boom. And there's a bound gimmick here. And he hits this 2 red. And no red this side. Let's test the L80. It is very good attacking. There you go, very good. I can give 7 only, maybe 6.5. So the Hawaii say it's oval good in attack because it looks like oval, man. See, oval. Yeah, you actually can activate earlier. Just press 2 and then you attack. There's nothing effect with this. So it's really, this is really good at attacking this slash rush mode. Oh my Gojo, wow. Oh my goodness, there's no any deflected colors to paint. Okay, that's it. Let's go to the test spin battle. So I forgot there's a bound gimmick. There you go. It's true, not so easy like the bound gimmick. I don't know, it's not gonna happen, the bound gimmick actually. The most effective is the Valkyrie but the teeth is only 2. Okay, let's go. Alright, let's test spin with this Beyblade. Gatling Dragon, Karma and Charge Metal. This is left from launcher. It's right spin mode. Okay, 3, 2, 1, wow, it's attacking. Very huge, dudes. How pain it is. Oh, it's not that pain. It's not that pain too. Hidden by the finger. Yeah, nothing is like activated there. Okay, let's get battle. First battle with Dynamite Belia. Let's go. We use this handler, this combo grip. It's not my Tiger told me it would be, but Beyblade are meant to be played and worn. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Whoa, so huge, man. The Dynamite Belia is so low. It's not hitting their each other. Come on. Ooh. Oh my goodness, this is not good. We need to make it stronger. We make it in the, what do you call it, the rush mode. We just press this 2 to activate the rush mode. Okay, this 2, okay. Round 2. I'm not satisfied with it, so there's no chance for Dynamite. Oh, no wonder Dynamite Belia is good. See? He's using the V gear. What the heck? Okay, it's okay, it's okay. We see this rush mode, how good it performs. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. No contact, that's weird. That's why Dynamite Belia can win. You need to have a contact. So beautiful, man. Ooh, this is not good. I need to spin one by one like this. It happens again. Attacking of Gatling Dragon. Whether it's over finish or burst, that is how Gatling Dragon attack. So let's see if is there any damage. Well, perfectly good, not bad. There's no damage. Wow. But yeah, if there is also scrape, Beyblade is meant to be used. Okay, next up, battle with the Dangerous Belia, or which one? Oh yeah, the Tempest Dragon Origin. Okay, Tempest Dragon. Not bad. Yes, win by spin finish. Gatling Dragon. But there's no burst for Tempest Dragon. Double check. There is no more contact. I don't know where's the contact. Of course, contact is a lot in this BU blade. Yes, there is scrape. Finally, there's a scrape over here. See? What is this? Oh, it's maybe the plastic. Nothing much. It's pretty good. Okay. Next up with the one of the most expensive chain covers. Alright, there you go. It's a right spin. So good to see. Oh, spin finish by the Gatling Dragon. Next up with soft nut burst. Next up with dangerous Balea. I think I want to make it in high mode. Dangerous Balea. Very aggressive. I didn't expect that. Okay, Divine Balea versus Tempest. No, Tempest is Gatling Dragon. Divine Balea with the, of course, with the D gear upgraded. Ooh, what a hit! There you go. Spin finish for Gatling Dragon. Gatling Dragon versus Valkyrie. Ultimate Valkyrie. Still spin finish. It's like more to defense and attack. Yeah, spin finish by Gatling Dragon. Why I'm always using high mode, that's very funny. Now, the last one I think is this. Rage Longinus? Guilty Longinus, not Rage. Whoa, Guilty 1. I think I need to make it in low mode. My Gatling Dragon. Okay, 3, 2, 1. What a hit from Gatling Dragon. It's not attacking. Guilty. Oh, what a strong hit again from Gatling Dragon. But very decisive. Oh, out of stamina. Guilty. What the? Last spin? Yes, Guilty 1, but actually Gatling is stronger. I have to force to reopen it. Yeah, the rush mode. 3, 2, 1, go. Whoa. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1, go. Humiliate. Kilos Metal. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, what a hit with Gatling Dragon. Longinus snap. Oh, over finish. Gatling Dragon. Seriously. Greatest. Yeah. Oh, finally. Gatling Dragon. But this is not bad. This is not good. What the? Pocket burst! Finally! What do you think of this Gatling Dragon? Must use dash, don't use non-dash. I forgot to use just now. This time it's dash. Whoa, wait a minute. What the? It's activated one-sided only, the... Whoa, so this is like Excalibur, it's like unbalanced. Because this one I not activate fully yet. And this is already activated. Wow, so it's unbalanced and making the rush attack. So peace out everybody, I hope you like it and see you next time.